So you know how I've been working on the XRUIOS, aka Shell operating system for VR, right? I'm making a small progress video on it, and I've roped in my awesome VA buddy, Kaine to lend his voice. Might not be as good as Sea-Dog, but he'll do just fine. Check out his socials in the bio, seriously. So in this vid, I'm going to do a deep dive into the menu and app systems for XRUIOS. Oh, and quick disclaimer, the screen recorder I used wasn't the usual one, so the UI might not be crystal clear in the second half, but hey, we'll still get the point across. Now, hold your horses, because there's a ton to talk about. I mean, we got like 30 apps, and this Shell OS can run Linux, Windows, Android, and macOS all at once. Crazy, right? And don't even get me started on the security challenges. But today, I want to keep it short and focus on the menu and app system, because it's kind of like the core of the whole shebang. Alright, so check this out. I put serious effort into crafting a menu that feels original. No copy pasting, no corporate design, and no crapple, my friends. It's gotta be unique. Plus, I want it to be as super user-friendly as it gets. No headache-inducing navigation, thank you very much. Now, time for the grand reveal. The new version of the menu, drumroll please, boom, magic. Well, not really a grand reveal. It needs a little work, but it's getting there. Now, to get into the meat of the project, let's dish out a little bit about the app menu. I've given it a revamp, but it's still a work in progress. So right now, you got a cursor to interact. No worries though, we'll get that fixed soon enough. And that side dish, you'll know which theme you're rocking, your device specs, and your location, just like that. Check this out. On the right side, I added a slick tab system for the app menu, even if it was a hell to make. The apps are called dynamically with some fancy pooling system I made, meaning no FPS drops. Mostly. Oh, and wallpaper options for the background coming soon. Talk about dessert. Down below, we got all the essentials at your fingertips. Device charge, connected controllers, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a nifty user profile with quick access to your social messages. Oh, and the data slot system? Think of it like one of those OS chips from Nier. It's not done yet, but it's already my favorite feature of the entire OS. Now for the future plan, folks. We're going to bring back the curved UI to the bottom. Show off your customized character to the side, props to my buddy Loafspell for the base model, go to the bio to check out her page. And we'll add a grab function for the menu so it's more manipulatable. Alright, now let's dive into the buffet. The app systems, which isn't 100% ready yet, but we're getting there. So everything's under this parent header, and we've got 5 objects to play with. Bin, pages, shortcuts, widgets, and scripts. Each app's got its home page, and you can request specific pages too. We got a widget spawn area, and the app bar spawn point to keep things neat and tidy. And those shortcuts, they're modular. I think that's the word for it. Changes automatically based on how you format the app folder. When you tap on an app page, the app bar button pops up, making life a breeze. Minimizing apps? Easy peasy, just a tap, and they turn into sweet shortcuts right in front of you. Boom, pick up right where you left off. Now you can probably tell there are a few changes I'm making, like trying to make it so the app bar button is there even when you hold it. And for some reason, when you hold the UI, it might just blink out of existence for a moment. I'm pretty close to being done with that system though, so I can just focus on implementing the apps, which will make the entire thing look more like a real OS. Now I have to also do some work on the security systems to put some tape over a few possible problems, but that should take a day or two. Until the next update. And we'll add a grab function for the menu so it's more manipulatable. And we'll add a grab function for the menu so it's more manipulatable. Manipulatable. That's a hard word to say.